So question number 4 is all about creating a visualization diagram for the reward screen for the smartphone health app. So the key areas you need to think about is the content, the layout, fitness for purpose, and then actually using annotations to explain what you've actually done. So you could draw a smartphone in the middle of the screen, and obviously you could make it look like a smartphone if you want, with your cameras and your speakers and your buttons and so forth, and then we could just label that the smartphone, and then what we could do then is we could add some features to make it look like it. So you could have a search facility at the top, you could have a points total there, and then you could also have like a logo, and then we could say this is the rewards logo. So as we go through, it's good practice to always annotate and explain what you're doing as well. So that's that, and then we could have here, we could have some pictures of the different foods. So here we just got pictures of what could be claimed as a reward, things like that. So pictures, food pictures to show what can be claimed. And then here we might have how many points you need with a tick box. So these ones could be 250, these could be 300, and then this one could be 400 points. Okay, so these tick boxes could then be used, tick boxes to select item to claim. Okay, so as we're going through, we're talking about what we need to use. So down the bottom as well, you could have home, you could have a total button, you could also have social media, things like that. Okay, so now we've got a design which looks fairly good, and then we have to then bring in the detail and actually explain what we're doing. So here we could have the title, we could have font 28 in blue, we could have search bar to search for items. We could also have annotate here about number of points needed. Okay, we could also annotate these about font as well. So font maybe Times New Roman maybe. So we've got that as well. We could talk about the home button as well. So go to the home screen, start to run out of space now. So obviously when you do it, you need to be aware of how much space you've got and maneuverability around as well. So other things that you could have included, you could talk about rewards logo to show what page on. You could talk about the background as well, so I know, black background maybe, or any color that you want maybe. So we've got the main gist of what it is. So it looks like a reward screen. We've got the content included. We mentioned about the pictures. We've got the layout, which is very similar to mobile phone apps. We've got it on the phone as well. We've got it is fitness for purpose. We've got the ability to claim things. We've said it's a reward screen. We've got a search. We've got points total, all that kind of stuff, and then that will put you into the Markband 3, and then it should get you 8 or 9 marks because we ticked all the boxes that we need there. The other way you could do it is to use the whole box as your home screen and then annotate it around the box, but you do need to be aware of how much space you've got as well. So obviously I've drawn it on a tablet and I've sort of run out of space, but obviously just be aware of when you start it, that is your page and that's what you've got to work with. Hope that's been useful, giving insight on how to answer that question.